Nail Chronicle. This week I've got a full design for you. So this will be one of 2 designs. The second one will be up next week. So I'm starting out with the stamping here. I'm using MDU's, I'm just going to call it bright orange. I'll put the proper names in the description below. And for some reason I had a lot of issues picking up the MDU polishes with my Manology stamper. I don't know if anybody else has had the same issue, so if you have, let me know. But in this case I just switched to my Grenat stamper and it worked fine and gave me the effect that I wanted. So for my second step I moved on to using ILMP the Magician. So this polish, it's a really nice topper, it adds a really nice depth of colour and a little bit of sparkle to whatever you put it on. It was described I think as unicorn blood or something like that when I originally bought it a few years ago. So I've been keen to kind of get it out of the box and use it because it's been a little while. And I'm putting this on top of the L'Oreal Paris Grenat Irreverent, I think is how you say it. Again, I'll put the details in the link in the below. And so it's just a really nice kind of brown polish with a little bit of undertone of red. And so this makes it really good for autumn or fall colors. And by having that bright orange contrasting to create the accent nail, I'm really happy with how this design ended up turning out. And I did skip the accent nail. I wanted to wait a little bit longer for the stamping to dry, but I have found the Magician doesn't smudge the stamping, which is a good thing. So, but something that you should test with any sort of topper. Anyway, I hope you like this design. Let me know in the comments what you thought. What colors would you use for this design? Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!